Hey guys, Aavash here. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having an amazing day, night, evening. Just woke up feeling. Today I have an interesting tutorial that is how to edit like Toni Mahfud. I hope I pronounce his name correctly. Now some of you may be wondering who is Toni Mahfud? Who the hell is Toni Mahfud? And some maybe, I do know him, I follow him. He has a great content. Now for the people who don't know who's Toni Mahfud is a German 24-year-old model with over 3.5 million followers on Instagram at the time of this recording. He's a great artist. He uploads high quality content and he is handsome obviously. He's the guy that every model editor should look up to because of his high quality content, and guess what? The same quality I will be teaching you in Lightroom CC mobile. So grab a popcorn, hit that subscribe button and let's get started. Now you know the drill, right? Open Lightroom CC and I have a photo. I downloaded this from a site called Pixel. Link in the description if you want to check it out, and link in the description if you want to check out my Instagram profile too. It's a smart promotion. Now what you want to do is head over to the light section where you see a sunlight icon over here. Now go to the exposure and just decrease like this. Go to 0.64 EV, that is exposure. Now go to contrast, plus 12, that is plus 12. Now go to highlights and minus 45. Or 46 if you want to do it. Go to the shadows and slightly increase. Slightly, I mean 32. Go to blacks, 19. Here we go. Now go to the color section, that is over here. Now what you want to do with the color section is increase the temperature to 8 or 9. Tint minus 10. Go to saturation, slightly decrease, just 1 or 2. Now go to the mix panel. Now under mix panel, red, that is, go to hue and increase it to 20. Now go to the saturation side and decrease it to 24. And decrease the luminance to 69. Now if you look at Toni Mahfud's Instagram, you'll see that he has little bit slightly decreased saturation or exposure. So we want to do that. So go to the orange section and decrease the saturation 24. Saturation to 24 and luminance to plus 4. Now go to the yellow section and under yellow section decrease the hue to 83. And saturation decrease to 71. Perfect. Now go to the green section and in green decrease the hue all the way down to 100 and saturation 36, minus 36. Sorry for the background noises. And go to luminance, that is minus 49. Now go to the teal section and under teal section increase all the way to 100 and saturation to plus 38. After that, luminance to 91. Now go to the blue section, decrease the hue to 47. Increase the saturation to 38. sorry again go to luminance -38. Now go to the purple section, and under purple section decrease the hue to 9. And go to luminance and decrease it to 11. Go to the pink section, and in pink section increase the hue to 29. And decrease the luminance to 47. Done. Now go to the effects panel, and under effects panel go to clarity and increase the clarity to 60. Now after that go to the split tones up here and go to the right side and make the hue to 201. And now go to the balance and increase to 17. Now after that hit done. So now we are in the final step, that is to go to the details section, and in details section go to sharpening and increase it to 46. Radius to 1.0, that's okay. Details 25, that's okay. Noise reduction, increase the noise reduction to 20. That go to the details section over here, it's 50, it's okay if it's 50, otherwise change it to 50. Now go to color noise reduction up here and increase it to 42. Increase this to 42. And after that go to details 50, it's okay. If not, change it to 50, smoothness 50, hit done. So yeah guys, this is pretty much how you can edit like Toni Mahfud. If you found this video helpful, then do me a favor, like this video, subscribe me if you haven't, and if possible share this video so people can see my videos. And for some odd reason, if you're having problem, you are not understanding the process, then feel free and comment down below, or you can DM me on Instagram as I reply to all my DMs because I'm a nice guy. So any ladies out there? This is Aavash signing off, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.